Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to install the Forms Made Easy app and get everything set up in just a few minutes. First, head over to the AppExchange. In the search bar, type Forms Made Easy and click on Get It Now. Choose where you want to install, and then just follow the on-screen steps and make sure to authorize the required permissions. Easy, right? Once the installation's done, go to App Launcher and search for the app. Open it, and you'll find the setup page. Now look to the right side. You'll see a Connect button. Allow the necessary permissions, and that's it. You're connected. With the help of it, you can create, manage, and share all your forms fully customizable, mobile-ready forms that map directly to Salesforce objects, support conditional logic, automation, file uploads, and seamless embedding into websites, portals, and Salesforce pages, all with secure Salesforce data handling.